Hey everyone, welcome back. If the PayPal app crashes the moment you tap it, stays on a white screen, or just won't open at all, here are 3 fixes that solve these every single time. First, swipe up completely and close PayPal from your recent apps. Then press and hold the PayPal icon in your home screen. Then tap remove app, delete app, then delete the app to uninstall it completely. Go to the App Store and then search for PayPal and reinstall it fresh. Corrupted data from a bad update is the number one reason PayPal crashes on open, and a clean reinstall clears it all. After reinstalling, if it still crashes, go ahead to your phone settings, then tap General, then scroll down to VPN and device management and make sure no VPN is active. PayPal blocks connections from VPNs and this causes instant crashes before the app even loads. Also, go to your setting, once again go to General and then go to Software Update and make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS. PayPal regularly drops support for older versions. So all you gotta do is delete and reinstall PayPal, turn off any VPN and update your iOS. One of these will get PayPal opening again. Subscribe for more PayPal fixes every day.